Hi, Charles from Seymour, Indiana. I had a couple of videos about living in a bubble screens, and these are magnetic screens, and they differ from other companies. It's a nice small company, family owned in Australia. Instead of you ordering one for a cargo door or a rear door or for your passenger or driver door, for a Sprinter or a Transit or whatever, they have generic screens, which I think is a very smart idea. So you look at their measurements of their various sizes and see what will fit. And they typically have suggestions, but you need to make sure that you order what will fit yours. And so we really like those. We throw them up there, the magnets grab quickly, push through the split. And my wife had made some homemade ones from a patio screen thing from Amazon, kind of cheap, but it worked, but it was brittle and it broke easily. So we really like being able to put them up, take them down. So about a month ago, I think, I don't think any longer than that, they were able to send me a set for the 2 doors. And so I'm going to bring Susie in here and she'll show you how it fits on this one door. It's going to be the same on the other side. So let me get Susie here and we'll just real quickly show you this screen for this kind of door. Okay, here we go. I'll help out now and then. So you got to get that corner in there. There's like a seam here that kind of tells you where to run it along.
The buckle has to go under the hinge. And then this buckle buckles right into it, and voila!
And then if you need to, there's this, I think it's called a toggle bolt. You can use this to tighten it, but it doesn't appear that we really need to do that so much.
When you close the window door, you have the magnets here.
There you go. Well, Susie got it put on. What do you say about installing this?
It wasn't that hard once we figured it out.
Right. The other one you just sort of throw up there because it's big wide openings and you're just going around. This one you have to do what?
It's got like an elbow, like a corner that you have to stick in the top, and then everything else just is smooth.
It's got the same good magnets, and then here you have to finesse it around the mirror, and but it's got a strap in there with the buckle that you tighten it, and so it works really well, and definitely keep the bugs out. We'll be set when we get back into buggy weather,
Yes.
whenever that is.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.